If you want to eject SIM tray from Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, but you don't have the eject tool, that is of course usually included inside the box, then you can use some alternatives to solve this. So essentially you're looking for something that is thin enough so that it fits this hole over here, and something sturdy enough so that you can actually apply a bit of pressure and then pop out the SIM tray. And ideally, what you're looking for is a paperclip. I think paperclip is the best alternative to the SIM eject tool. It looks pretty similar, of course. You can unfold a small paperclip, so one end is straight, and also that is important that the tool that you're about to use should also be straight, not only thin and sturdy, but also straight. And then once you have your paperclip, if you have one end straight, then you can insert it gently into this eject hole. And then of course you can just push it into the phone to pop out the SIM tray. There we go, just like that. And then of course you can use your fingernails to remove the, sorry about that, to simply remove it from the phone. Now, if you don't have a paper clip, you can also try to use an earring post. So if you have like a plain metal stud earring, and not a hook or decorative end, should be fine, or it is the preferred option. Of course, you also want to make sure that the earring post is clean and straight, and then you want to insert and press gently into the SIM eject hole. A sewing needle or a pin might work as well because it is thin, however you want to hold it steady and press straight in. You want to avoid using angled pressure. And for example, a mechanical pencil tip sometimes might work as well, without the lead of course, with no lead. It works only on some smartphones, but it might work in here as well. So if you do have a mechanical pencil tip with the retracted lead, for example, you can carefully put it into the SIM eject hole. And you want to be extra careful in this case because plastic tips can break, so keep that in mind. You definitely don't want to use like toothpicks or wooden sticks because these things break off easily. Safety pins with rounded ends should not be used as well. Screws or nails, you want to avoid them as well. Anything thick or blunt is not going to work either. And it is actually recommended to do this to eject the SIM tray while the phone is off. And insert the tool straight, not at an angle, and apply light, steady pressure. You don't really want to force it into this hole. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.